Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix box today, and this one came pretty quick actually. I think I got my last one on the 4th and today's the 19th, so I think their shipping times are getting a little bit better. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, I'm going to leave some information below about Stitch Fix, and then I'm going to leave a referral link as well so that you can get $25 towards your first box if you want to try Stitch Fix. No pressure. It's my mom's Stitch Fix referral link because I'm tapped out on referrals for the year already. So yeah, if you guys are interested, more info below. It's a $20 styling fee per box unless you have the Style Pass. But the $20 styling fee, you use it, you know, towards your box, and then if you don't keep anything from the box, you do lose that $20. But usually you can find at least something from a box, in my experience. So let's just get right into it. We're going to read my style note. I was going to say our style note. I guess it is our style note since we're, you know, doing this together. Also, you guys, sorry. It was just my 1-year YouTube anniversary, the 17th, May 17th. So yeah, you guys, I've been doing this for a year now, and you guys have been so awesome and like liking and subscribing and commenting. I really appreciate it. It's just like a fun hobby for me. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Anyway, let's get into the style note. I'm a little all over the place today again. Hi Rachel, how are you? Do you really only have one pair of denim shorts? It's true. I only have one pair. They're Lauren Conrad from Kohl's that I bought last year. They're so cute. And then I have like a bunch of soft shorts, you know, but those wrinkle really easily. Anyway, yes, I only have one pair of denim shorts. I was only able to find one this time with a high rise, so let me know how you like the ones by Dear John. I'll definitely keep looking for other styles. I saw you pinned a few pairs of Toms on your Pinterest, so I'm sending you these to wear with your shorts and the Beacon and Market and Spruce tops. On cooler days, wear either top with jeans and grab one of your cardigans. Camo is super trendy, so pop on the Free People tee with jeans or shorts and your Toms or cute sandals for an effortlessly easy and chic outfit. The quarantine has been crazy, but I can't complain. I'm cooking a lot and catching up on my magazines I never get to read. I've been looking for a new show, so I'll have to check out Crazy Ex-Girlfriend. I had asked her if she'd ever seen that show before because I'm rewatching it, and I don't know if any of you guys have seen it. I really like it. It's so funny. It was on the CW when it was on, and it's like a musical, but not musical. Like the musical numbers are in the main character's head, and it's great. Anywho, yeah, check it out. Take care, and sending you many hugs, XO, Kristen. Thanks, Kristen. Alright, so let's just get right into it. I'll show you the bundle. It's such a skinny, small bundle, you guys, because we're getting into summer eventually. I guess this side's the prettier side, huh? So we got like some stripes, some floral, that camo she was saying, and then the shorts. And a shoe bag. So they're Toms, so they're super light. So let's just get right into those. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. So yeah, so just some like classic Toms in that navy blue color. I don't wear tons of navy though, but I'll try them on. As you guys know, did not like that navy dress last box. If you did not see my last Stitch Fix unboxing, I'm going to put a link right up here. And you can click on that and it'll show you that one. Or you can just go to my videos and find it. But yeah, so those are the Toms. Let's see if there's a name on them. Oh, you guys, I'm reaching. Okay. Toms, classic, Alpargata, solid, canvas, slip-on flats, and navy. Size 7. So we got those. We'll try them on. I've never had a pair of Toms before. And I think I would want more of a neutral color than that navy if I were to get some. But we'll see. Maybe I'll like it. Okie dokie. Artichoke. Anywho. Okay, we have the Market and Spruce Vreelan side knot knit top in burgundy XL. Burgundy. So that's cute. I'm a big fan of stripes. Oh, no, okay, so it has like this big slit on the side here, so that's where you would tie it into the knot. But you could probably wear it just loose too. Kind of has like a racer back, but not like an extreme racer back or anything. There goes my text again. It's my mom. Hi, Mom. So yeah, that one's really cute and it's really soft. Love Market and Spruce. Oh, this one has buttons. Are they real buttons? Kristen, you go girl. You find me all those tops that are the fake buttons so they don't fall apart. What? That is so cute. Okay, so this is the Beacon Raelynn Knot Front Knit Tank in navy. So I guess these would go with the shoes. But it has that twist front there. That's cute. That is super cute. And it's like, it's kind of see-through, but not like super see-through. So that's going to be really nice in the summer for that kind of lightweight, breezy kind of top. That is so cute. Okay, that's the front runner right now. And we have the Free People. I've never had anything from Free People, but I know that's like a big brand. Free People, Clare roll cuff tee in black, but it's like, it's camo. So the cuffs, I don't know about that, you guys. That looks kind of chintzy to me, but whatever. So it's just like a camo tee. It has, you know, it's camo. I don't know. I'm not a huge camo person. I do have one camo top. It has like a seam down the back here. You can see. This is really thin as well, which again would be good for summer. No, that's my husband. I'm in a group text apparently. Hi Mom, hi husband. So yeah, I'm not overly joyed with that, but I like that floral tank so far. And here we have the jeans, the jean shorts, I should say, denim shorts. Dear John, dear John. I have to silence my phone. Okay, I silenced my phone. Dear John, these are the Finnegan cuffed short in indigo. Good stretch. These are cute. I do like the cuff, and the shorts that I have now, the jean shorts, are like a lighter denim with a cuff, so it would be nice to have a dark denim. It has these cute buttons on the back. I think they're fake pockets. Yep, fake pockets in the back. Real ones in the front, so at least we got that. So yeah, those are cute. Alright, let's get to trying them on. So this top is from Stitch Fix. I bought it from the Buy Again option. It's the Luck, L-U-Q, the tie front top, I believe, and I have it in like 4 different patterns and colors. It's just nice and lightweight. I love it. And then the jeans are from 1822 denim. I think I got them from Marshall's. And I love these too. So here we have the Market and Spruce tank, and this is really cute. So even without tying it with that giant slit on the side, I think that's cute with that like asymmetricalness. But I will tie it too, so hold on. So here it is tied. I think I like it even better just down and kind of flowy, to be honest. But it's really cute. They had it paired with like some green pants in the style card. So these are my ones from Stitch Fix as well, which if you didn't see my Stitch Fix Shop Your Looks video, I'm going to put that link up here. And you can see about these pants. Super cute. Yeah, so here's the Market and Spruce one. This is the top. I think it's cuter untied. I don't know. What do you guys think? I really like the color. I like the stripes. It's really soft. There's the back. So it is more of like a racer. So we might have to wear like a racer back bra with it. I think that's cute. It's really soft. Okay, so I hate the shirt. This is the Free People camo tee. It is just, it's so thin. Like, I would think this shirt would be like $10 or something by the material. Here it is tucking it in. I'm wearing the jean shorts. So we'll pan down on that in a minute. I like, you know, I like the idea of camo. I do have one camo like crop top that's cute. But I do not like this shirt. It is comfortable, probably because it is so thin. And like just even the arms, it's supposed to be like a roll cuff tee, and it's You can see the seam. I don't know, it's Free People, so I know it's going to be expensive, and I don't think this material is worth it. I don't think the quality is worth it. So yeah, let's pan down and do the shorts. Alright, so we have the shorts. They're a lot longer than I thought they'd be, which isn't a bad thing, because then, you know, your thighs don't rub together as much. But I'm kind of liking them. They have the cute, you know, fake pockets on the back with the buttons. They have the roll cuff right there. They're nice and stretchy. They have real pockets. Yeah, I'm kind of liking them. And then here we have the shoes. Let me zoom in on the shoes. Hey there. Oh God. Okay, hang on. Alright, here we have the shoes. I hope they're in focus for you. They're the Toms. They're okay. I think if they were in more like a neutral color or like a neutral pattern kind of thing. I don't wear a whole lot of navy. I'm not a huge navy person. So I don't think I'm going to be keeping these, but they are comfortable. They are super comfy. I haven't had Toms before. I know people love Toms. But I don't think I'm going to be keeping them. And here is the last top. Can't remember who makes this one, but that's okay. So this one's really cute. It has the fake buttons again. Kristen, I really like that. It does have, I just pulled a loose thread out of it. But yeah, it's really like soft material. It's almost like that mesh material of that kimono I got. See, okay, I just tucked these in. My dog just came in. I think I would like it more if it were just like a straight v-neck like that, and if these straps were just a little bit thinner. But I do like how it, you know, twists right here. I put on my one other pair of denim shorts because the color was just kind of blending too much with the dark pair of shorts she sent me. So it's, I don't know. It's cute. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence with this one. I'm on the fence with the shorts. I don't know. It is really cute. I don't know. Okay, let's go over prices. Okay, friends, let's go over prices. And, okay, I wanted to show you. So, this top, I'm not going to get. I decided. Sorry, I saw something weird in my viewfinder. I'm not going to get. But also, I've never really had anything like this before, Stitch Fix. There's all these, like, loose threads down the center seam. Like, look at... And I pulled one off during the try-on, too. So, that's kind of uncharacteristic, I found, for Stitch Fix. But it was really stretchy and cute. I'm not going to get it. Not going to get it this time. Maybe I'll regret it. Maybe I'll request it another time, but I don't know. Okay, let's go over prices. So the Toms Classic Alpargata Solid Canvas Slip-On Flat Navy Size 7, $48. I think that's good for Toms, right? I've never had Toms before, so you guys tell me. And then the Free People Clare Roll Cuff Tee in black, $38. Like I said, that t-shirt's so thin. You could find something like it, you know, at Marshall's or TJ Maxx or something when they open back up. No. Dear John, Finnegan, Dear John. That's a song, people. Finnegan cuff short in indigo, $58. I do think I'm going to keep those. I liked the length of it. I like the dark. I like the cuff. I think I'm going to keep those. Mark and Spruce Vreelan Side Knot Knit Top in Burgundy, $44. I like that one too, but I think I liked it better without it tied, and if the whole premise of it is supposed to be it's tied, I know I could wear it either way, but I don't think I'm going to keep that one. And then the Beacon Raelynn Knot Front Knit Tank in Navy, $38. I did really like that. I liked the floral on it. I liked the twist in the front. I liked the material. I liked the fake buttons. I don't know. I gotta think on that one. I don't know. Maybe I'll end up keeping it. I don't know. I just don't know. You guys tell me, but be nice. So yeah, okay. So $226 is the Stylist pick subtotal. If I bought everything and take off $56.50, making it $169.50. I have $57.89 in credit still. So if I bought everything, it would be $111.61. So if I bought just the shorts, that's $60. I could get everything else for just another $50, honestly. But I just don't think I'm going to. I didn't like the color of the shoes. Didn't like that camo shirt. I did like the 2 tank tops, and I know I could like sell the shoes or something. But I don't know, I think I'm just gonna get the shorts, I think. I don't know, you guys tell me. Anywho, you guys, quarantine's almost over, kind of. I went back to work for 1 day this last Saturday, and then my husband and I take a week off for our anniversary every year, so by the time I get off that, then I think our stay-at-home order will be over. I'm not sure. We'll see what she says. Last time I said that, she extended it again, so I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm gonna have a Wantable box. Actually, it's supposed to be delivered today, so I'll probably be doing that here in the next few days too. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself, there's a link down below with my mom's referral link. That would give you $25. It would give her $25. Everything would be great. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm all over the place today. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.